Well, we failed. So here's what I got from underneath. I've got it down, and I'm pretty pleased with it for the most part. The only issue I'm having is that cab mount that rests in here, it looks like, you see right there? It's double plated. So right now I'm only single plated. So I'm gonna have to come up with something to reinforce this so that it's more structurally sound to take the weight of this cab, because one little piece of tin is definitely not gonna cut it. So that is, let me get up here. That is step one of this little adventure that I'm on. So let me keep going, come up with a plan. I'll show you what that plan is, and then we'll see if we can keep on, I don't know, keep on keeping on. Let's see if we can save her. All right, you're probably not going to be able to tell, but I've got a piece of plate in here. I cut it to fit. I've got it like almost perfect. So what I'm going to try to do now is I'm going to try to tack this in on both ends. I'm not sure how far in I can reach. You can see the seam over here. And well, I'm going to just keep trying to make progress and see if we can get this strong enough that I could put the cab mount under and our body mounts in and get this cab back down on where it belongs so that I can fix this rocker. Well, there we go. I get that second piece in. I'm not going to zoom in and get real close because it is really ugly. I hate welding upside down, especially light tin. But I've got it in. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to clean and prep, paint all of the body mounts across the whole driver's side so that we can install them. And then the cab mount that goes in here, I'm going to get it connected first, and then I'm going to lower the truck down. And once it's lowered, I'll then tack it to the truck. But for now, I need to get it to sit in place and know where it goes. So let's get this all cleaned up. Well, we made her pretty-ish, and now we're gonna get this stuff all put together. You can't see it there. I'll let you see it. Okay, down. There we go. That's there. That'll sit in like so. Here, I'll show you what I got. That's going in like so. And then, let's do that so we're not shining in your face. That's going in. That's going like that. And this is going in there. But this, there we go. I'm going to spray this with some fluid film. Right there. I'm going to spray this with this fluid film. There we go. Let's go like that. Okay. Shine that up. Let's see. Can y'all see in there? That's good. jack this bad boy up. All right. Put that in first. We're gonna need to. Oh, I dropped you guys. There we go. Well, I knocked you over, so y'all didn't see what I just did, but I've got this in place with the brand new bushings. It's still elevated because I got to put the rear ones in. So let's throw those rear ones in, and then we can lower the truck down. And once it's lowered down, we're going to look at tacking this to that. Fantastic plan. Here we go. Let's try. Let's get this sorted out. So I'm using good old fluid film because I'm hoping to buy time and prevent this from rusting out. All right. All right. So this, get rid of the dirt. Start with the rear one here. Oh, let's put this into here. Oh, I didn't spray the top of that. Let's spray. This into here. I'll push this up into there. Oh. We're gonna have to do it this way, are we? Okay. Let's drop there. Okay. Try that. Oh, there it is. Hey. No, don't you grab it? You gonna grab it? Nope. Not yet. All right. You don't want to cooperate. Let's see why. Those are. Oh yeah, we're good. Okay. We're okay. We're okay. We're okay. There we go. We got this, kids. We got this. I just want it before it touches. Just like that. I don't feel it grabbing. Yeah, see? It did not grab. It did not grab. All right. What about this one? Can I grab this one? Will that one grab? No, this one I shouldn't be spraying. I just realized. Hang on, there we go. I think I'm getting it. I don't think I'm getting it. Yep, I did not get it. All right, guys, let me mess around with this for a few minutes and figure out where I gotta adjust it and pry it. All right, we got it started. Let's zip them on. Yes. Okay, let me check this last one. Sweet. Okay, let's get our jack out of the way. Okay, throw them onto the other side. Okay, let's look and see. Look at that. Fantastic. Okay, this one, our troubled one. Okay, this is zipped in. That's about as good as my fabric's gonna allow it. So what I am gonna do is clean up here and the other side. And then I'm gonna weld this into here. And I might show you what that looks like after, but I mean, really, guys, that's kind of boring. So look at how bad this rocker is. Holy. Well, we failed. My repair was nowhere near substantial. Look at the weight of the cab resting on it has bulged the plate out. It's bulged the floor up. That sucks. So I don't know what to do. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do to fix it. I'll figure it out. But this here did not go anywhere near as well as I'd hoped. The results are not. Look at, see, it's pushed out. You can see it's all bulged up here. So I'm gonna have to fix this, and I'm not really sure how I'm gonna do that yet. But rest assured, when I do, I'm gonna let you know. Okay, well, this side was fantastic. It was quick, easy, no big repairs to do. Look at that. I like the red. I know we'll never see it, but it's awesome. So that is awesome. Woo! Victory for that. But I want to come back over here to look at how badly we failed on this side again. Yeah, see? Some light on this. I just showed you this a second ago. But I'm gonna have to lift this side of the cab up again and then reinforce this in a much better way, because like I said, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna learn and figure it out. So leave this with me, guys, and I will come up with a plan. But we're not gonna, that's not gonna be on this video. That is gonna be on a different video. That's gonna be when I start doing my repairs on my rocker panels, blah, blah, blah. So today, I am gonna say our cab mounts are complete. Woo, victory. And I'm pretty excited about that because we really needed that. Guys, have a great day. Thank you for everything. I appreciate you guys very much. And if you can't behave, don't get caught. Cheers.